Okay, I'm going to show you how to change a idle air control valve on a 95.0. This is a new one. The old one's been working, but the idle's been fluctuating, so I decided to get a new one just to try it out and see if that fixes it, because the old one is probably about 100,000 miles, if not more. Let's see. To start with, you gotta take off these two 8mm. This is after you disconnect the electrical connector. The throttle body I have on here is a stock Explorer for 95-97 with the matching intake, the GT40 style. Here's the old one. This is the old one. Dirty inside. I tried cleaning it. Didn't seem to work. Let's see. And it comes with a new gasket, which I'll use. Put the bolts there, like so. And then when you install it, it only goes pretty much one way, where the electrical connector is facing downwards. And both the bolts are 8mm. You could use your choice of 1/4 inch or 3/8. I use 3/8 or 1/4 inch on this one because it fits a little better, easier to get to. And then you hook the connector back up, and there's a line here that goes to the throttle body, that goes to the oil filler neck. And basically you connect those two, and then you start it, let it idle, and then see how it runs. That's pretty much it.